my olives, welcome back to my channel. It is a lovely Sunday afternoon. This morning I washed my hair and put some fake tan on, did my eyebrows, all that kind of self-maintenance pampering stuff, because I have an exciting shoot tomorrow. I thought I could film it, but I don't think I can, so I'll let you guys know when it's out and stuff. But yeah, it's an exciting commercial shoot I haven't shot in most of 2021, so I'm low-key nervous, but I'm all primed and prepped. I'll show you guys what I used on my hair. In the shower I used the Coco and Eve Super Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, and then I used the Briogeo Coil Custard and their Curl Charisma Gel, this one right here. For tomorrow morning before I shoot, I'm gonna refresh my curls with the Pump Day 2 Curl Refresher. But yeah, the curls turned out really nice and defined. I like full separated my hair and put product in each layer, which always makes them turn out better. Fabian's done the grocery shopping. He'll be back soon with lunch. I'm pretty hungry. I just filmed some content and it involved a lot of talking, and yeah, my social battery is low, even though it wasn't even social, but you know. Good morning! It's your time to get up. It's 1 o'clock. Fiona's routine is to wake us up at 7:30, make us feed her, then she comes back to bed and cuddles us if we're in bed still, and then she sleeps until 1. Just living the hard life, aren't you, darling? She's a model. If you haven't seen my latest Instagram post where I'm holding her and she's like full posing for the camera, she got it from her mama. So I've just been shooting content. I shot this little cute set from Motel Rocks. Just added a white cotton on work shirt over it. And then I shot, Fabian helped me shoot another outfit. But I haven't shown you the courtyard. Fabian has been working on it and just making it neater and nicer, more aesthetically pleasing. Let's go on the balcony and I'll show you. I actually haven't seen it since he's been working on it. So he added that border yesterday. He like bought all the timber himself, cut it and glued it down all himself, and then he's just cleaned the tiles with a water pressure gurney, I think it's called. And now he's putting the table back. He can't hear me. The pavers are so clean. They used to be white, so I haven't actually seen them this brown.
I don't know how it's going to dry, but it's better.
Way better. Hi everyone, it's a couple days later. I had the big shoot yesterday and it was so good. Like, it was just a dream. It was the best shoot ever. It was so fun. It was a 10-hour thing, but it went so quickly. Oh my god, I was just eating apricots if I had orange in my mouth. But my hair has been put through a lot at the shoot. There was like a lot of different hairstyles happening, so I definitely need to wash it and pamper it today. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, shampoo it, do a little hair mask, and I'll get back to you when I'm styling it. Welcome to another curly wash day segment of a vlog. For styling today, I'm going to use the Pump Hair Care Curly Girl 2-in-1 Define and Repair Cream. I've worked with Pump a couple times and I've loved their stuff. I don't think I've tried this cream though. I've tried their gel. It smells like strawberry lollies. In the shower, I used Briogeo shampoo, the mango and cherry one. And then I did a hair mask, the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Mask, because that's what I needed, strengthening and restoring, because my hair went through hell yesterday. It looked good, but it just went through a lot of heat and different styles and touching, and yeah. When I do masks, I'll either like put my mask on and then do like shaving and exfoliating if I have to do stuff in the shower like that, so it gets a bit of time in my hair, or I'll put the mask in, put a shower cap on, leave the shower, just go on my phone for like 10 minutes and then get back in the shower. Then going in with the Pump Hair Care Soft Curl Gel. And then just adding some Miracle Curl Oil from Pump Hair Care to the ends of my hair. Then using the 7-row Denman brush. For skincare, I'm going to go in with the Paula's Choice Exfoliate Liquid Exfoliant, just on a cotton pad. Then using the Age Defying Daily Serum from Genora. Then using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Then the Ultraviolet Queen Screen, as always. I'm gonna take you guys through what I ate today as well. I don't really have anything special planned, but it was requested from my last vlog. I did a workout just before this, so I need to replenish my energy, get some energy going. I'm going to make a protein smoothie. Also, if you're after like healthy meals for weight loss and stuff, I don't think my meals are on point for that right now. I did go through a phase where I was super healthy. We buy Abe's bagels from Woolworths, and Fabian got plain ones, wholemeal ones, and then these blueberry ones. So for breakfast I had a blueberry bagel with cream cheese. This is more of like a treat breakfast when I've been good, or I just want to treat myself with a little bit of a naughty breakfast. But yeah, I just toast these and put cream cheese and it's so yum. And with my breakfasts, I always have a cup of English breakfast tea with a dash of milk. Lately I've been making protein smoothies. This is the protein I use. It's the Women's Best Complex Weight Gainer in the chocolate flavor. So yeah, I put 2 scoops of that, a small cup of frozen mixed berries, some milk and water, and then I'll use like a protein yogurt. So I'll either have like the tubs that you can buy, or we also buy these sachets that we eat as snacks, and sometimes I use them for my smoothies. But this is the YoPro 15 grams protein yogurt, and you can get different flavors, but I just like squeeze that into my smoothie, and then I use a NutriBullet to blend it all. So I'm just gonna drink this while I clean up around the house and do some emails. Hey guys, I just made lunch, and it's this wholemeal bagel, the same brand that I showed you before from Woolworths, and then I just put cold smoked salmon, cream cheese and spinach. Again, this is not a health goals, you know, healthy meals day. I didn't really know I was going to film my meals today, so it's a very realistic what I eat in a day. And yeah, I'm gonna eat that. I know it's pretty small, so I'm probably gonna eat a banana after that, but I don't think I could eat 2. So yeah, I'm not a very big eater in general, like that's just my personality. And I'm not a big fish person, and I don't really like salmon, but in certain situations I do like salmon if it's like with other flavors, you know. So I just shot a couple outfits, hence the makeup. I did a little red lip for something different. The curls are really good, they turned out really nice, super hydrated. There's no like dry patches at the back or anything. They're just really soft, everything I want. I got a parcel from Lounge, so I thought I'd open it with you guys. All my underwear is Lounge, literally like the bra and undies I'm wearing right now is Lounge. I've been working with them since I had a little following on Instagram, so yeah, I just love working with them. We've got a bikini bottom, it's like a nice sage green color. I like the amount of coverage. I don't like full coverage because I feel like that cuts into my booty and it doesn't look flattering, but then I also don't like wearing thongs where there's like too much happening. I mean, I'd wear a thong if it was just me and Fabian going to the beach, but like not around other people, you know. This is the top. It's got a cute cutout and rose gold detailing. They sent me some cute socks. It's got like grey and white stripes. This is a cool bodysuit. It's like a grey ribbed stretchy material, and I like the Lounge logo around the edges. It's a nice high cut style. This will be cute with even jeans or just trackies. We have another bikini. This is like a frilly edged bikini. The coverage looks good again, and then it's got a tie up top. So cute, it matches my lipstick. This one has gold detailing as well. I feel like this is very me. Can't wait to try it on. This is the same bodysuit as before, but black Love that. It's got like undoable buttons as well. You may have seen this on my Instagram page. I have it in grey and I just got the black versions. So they're just comfy black loose shorts with the matching crop top. And it says lounge on the waistband. So cute! Next I have a parcel from Amen, which is an activewear brand. I bought this stuff myself because I've been getting more into my fitness and physique and stuff, so I wanted to treat myself with 2 new sets, even though I really didn't need to. It was kind of in my cart for a week or something and I just did a little splurge. So we have the top for the first set. I love this color. It's like a burnt orange tan. And then I'm loving the ribbed trend. So this is like a ribbed material. It feels really nice. It looks like it'll fit. Hopefully it's not too tight. But I think activewear tends to stretch with my body. So yeah, I usually stick to a size 6. And then I got a similar style but in this off-white color. So again, these are ribbed tights. I don't have any white ones. I feel like probably because I know they'll get dirty easily, but I'll try my best to keep these clean. I just saw a couple girls I follow have this set and it just looks stunning. This is the sports bra. This is like a thin strap version. The other one had thick straps. That's my little unboxing haul done. I've been sorting my wardrobe for the past 4 days. Like it's just never ending. Getting over how long it's taking, but it's also fun just to like go through everything. Like this section is a bit more empty. It was like packed to the rim. I saw a photo when I first moved in and filled this up and everything was like spaced out. It looked like not too packed, but yeah, it's a bit less packed. I've just basically gone through all the, we call it like compartments of my wardrobe room and just basically throwing anything that doesn't spark joy. If you've watched that show on Netflix with I forget her name, but yeah, she's like a tidying guru, and she says you should go through stuff and just throw them away if it doesn't spark joy. The hard thing is that I've obviously picked these clothes because I like them, and also my style is very open to everything. Like I just like everything and I get sent a lot of stuff for work. So like when I know I don't like something or I'm not gonna wear it, I straight away put it in a box to sell or give to a friend or whatever. But all this stuff that's in here is like stuff that I like. So I really had to dial down and just be like, no, gotta throw it away, throw it away, throw it away. So I'm just trying to simplify my style a bit more. I really have to like think about what would I wear this with, where would I wear this, especially because it's lockdown too. I haven't been anywhere to wear all this new stuff, so I'm literally like not throwing away but putting away all this stuff that I've never worn that is such good quality. So when we open up again, I want to do market stalls, a massive one, and then I'll also be uploading more stuff on my Poshmark stall, so that's open for everyone in Australia if you guys want to check out what I'm selling. I was going through this before and see how this rail, like you can move stuff before you could not. It was like, I'm actually scared this rail's gonna break because it's like sloping down. It's like bending, dipping. But yeah, I gotta go through all this stuff. I had it all out and then I had to stuff it away because I was doing photos. I redid this section, so I actually cleared a lot out because like these 2 rails were packed. So I have all like my knit, like what I'm wearing now, the knit sets kind of lined up with each other, and then like patterned shirts. I've got all knitwear, jeans, track pants, sweatshirt. But yeah, I've simplified a lot. There's like 9 garbage bags of stuff. I'm not throwing it. I never like just throw clothes in the bin. I know that's so bad. So alright, for dinner I made these sticky chicken wings, and it has teriyaki sauce, bit of soy sauce, chili, and then I sprinkled sesame seeds and shallots. Ooh la la! And then we've got brown rice. And then for veggies, I cut up some carrots, and then we're gonna eat some spinach. I was just vlogging what I ate today.
Oh yeah, did you eat good?
Not really. Oh. Well, I had a bagel for breakfast, a bagel for lunch.
That's alright. You had the wholemeal bagels though?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
How exciting is this dinner?
Those chicken wings were really yummy, and for dessert later, I'm gonna have the Lindt dark chocolate, blueberry, and acai.
Can I have some?
Balls. No.
What?
So we had like 4 packets of these and they've already gone, but I just feel like they're a healthier alternative to like ice cream or milk chocolate. It's dark chocolate and dried blueberries, and they're delicious too. But yeah, this was a realistic day of eating for me. I didn't plan on filming my meals, so they weren't like super on point, but that was just a normal day for me. We're watching The Circle on Netflix. Let me know if you guys watch it. It's the American one. Who's gonna do the washing up?
I will.
We can do it together.
Our kitchen's too small to do it together.
I know. Our kitchen's like a one-person kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah, one person at the sink.
Yeah, you can't fit 2 people at the sink because of the dishwasher.
Anyway,
I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much.
thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, follow, share with your friends, notifications, put the bell on, and we'll see you in the next one. And hope you have a safe trip to wherever you're going, and have a good night's sleep, and have a good morning.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere because we're in lockdown, so hopefully these vlogs are okay. I wish I could like take you guys to places, see the sights of Sydney, and just be with other people other than myself and Fabian and Fiona.
What's wrong with me?
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.